Hey guys, just wanted to share you a little demo of a language module I created the other day, inspired by Sean's forum post about some string resource files he was toying with, and when I read that, it just intrigued me a bit, and I thought I'd just give it a bash and create this module. So what it does basically, it'll just give you multi-language to your apps. I've put it up on GitHub, so everything's here for you. There's a README file which goes through it all, explains how to set it all up, what files do what, and you should be able to follow that. Pretty simple sort of things to do. Here's your config file. You got your routing, and you can add extra segments to things if you need more than two. You've got your language files here, so there's your English one there. So this is basically just your default home page for a newly installed Trongate app, and it'll just swap out the text for you. There's the French version and there's a Vietnamese version of it. So yeah, basically there's pretty simple to implement. Yeah, you got like placeholders in your. This is the view file, but you can push it through as from the controller into your data that you pass through, if it's the way you want to do it. And I'll just show it in action. Basically, it's this is. I've added a light dark mode, by the way. Yeah, DC. This is killing me. All this white light. Just on a side note there. Yeah, way too bright. Anyway. Sidetrack. So this is the English welcome view that you're pretty familiar with. Just to swap it out, a little drop down I've added to this page as well, so to just drop it into French, it'll swap things out without too much fuss. And you want to go to Vietnamese, there it is there again. So this is persistent, so it saves a cookie. There's a three layer fallback, so if your default language isn't defined, it'll pull in the cookie. If the cookie doesn't exist, it'll just drop back to the default language, which is all set up in your config file here, as you can see. So it's pretty easy to use, and you can also control it via the URL. And let's go back to English so you can see it in action. So if I just type in French, for instance, and the welcome URL, yeah, index, there you go. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys.